what do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Hadian shisngi bagi pulit ke Ri Bhoi kila yok ban kemno ya runar ubasyak keno don keti hakaban lebe ijat pyniap dusmon ya ke khynnah kabadang khatlai snem ki pulit kila Ialam biang ya shaka jaka bajia kani ke jingja. Ha kani ke jingalam biang ya uni runar shaka ni ke jaka ha ke khat arthur risau la Ialam khmat da superintendent of police VS Rathor bat ki wei ki officer kenthop ya additional SP O Masar ki officer na yang police station lambat kit khon na ka forensic crime scene unit. USP ka Ri Bhoi daladi hi ulalit ban jingo ya ka jaka bajia ka ni ka kam sniu ban penthikna ban penstet ya ka kam ban tokit ya uti runar kat kum ki kendon an. La ban kedo bahaga kendai trik risau kani ka khynnah ka badang khalai snem berta ha ka wekasnong hapo Ri Bhoi district kala syak thombor bat syak pyniap dusmon ha ka ba ya ka met jongka la lap da ki bahyeng bat ki nong snong ha ka weka klau ka badan marjan snong ki bor pulit kila 1 marmar syak ka jaka ban pelong ka jingbe thong ya uti runar badan kti ban le ya ka ni ka kambeman batang hapo shisngi ki pulit kila yo ban kemno ya runar ubala plaru ha ki pulit halur ka jingdon kti ha ka na kam thombor ya ki kenthei khynnah kat ba ha ka khat artrik risau ki pulit kila Ialam ya uni runar shaka snong jong u bat pha bo unya lam shaka klau bat ban pen iya ka jaka bat ban batai ka jingja ka balajia baro bat na ka leng ki pulit bat kit khat ka forensic crime scene unit ru kila pelong ya ka jingta oken ha ka te ka jaka.
Just you ask this side. That's right. If you ask me, oh, this side now? Yeah. Ano yan? Ano yan? Let him show, let him indicate. It should come on camera. Don't go there, आप लोग उधर. यहाँ का भी सैंपल लेना. वो हटा दो इसको। ये सिंगल का साइड पे Talk ni kuno dia hadin tu. Dah, dah. Oxen, what is? Itu nama kau apa?
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.